Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's Amanda Renee, and in this video we will be doing another wash and go combo. So if you're interested in seeing what the products are and how those products will react on my type 4 natural hair, definitely keep on watching. So hi, I am Amanda Renee, and here on this channel I do all things natural hair, from natural hair product reviews to tutorials, and I'm trying to get into more natural hair reactions to different natural hair topics. So if you're interested in any of those types of videos, definitely hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so that you never ever miss an upload from me. In this video we will be trying to combine a cream and a mousse for a wash and go. So the mousse that I have here is the As I Am Rosemary styling mousse, and I will be pairing that with the African Pride Moisture Miracle Shea Butter and Flaxseed Oil Curling Cream. I don't think I've ever seen anyone try this combo before. I am not going to lie and say that I'm not nervous. So we will see how these two products react on my hair. Maybe it will give a good wash and go, maybe it won't. Trial and error, people. Trial and error. So what I'm going to do, I have leave-in conditioner in my hair already, so it's really just for me to section off my hair and apply the cream first, because that is my base. So I will come back when I am ready to apply the cream. Alrighty, so I am back with the sectioned hair, and as you can probably tell, my hair is dry. So what I'm gonna do is wet this section with water. Some people would wet their hair with other things, a leave-in conditioner spray, aloe vera juice. It just depends, but I go with water, so that is what I'm going to do. And as I said, there's leave-in conditioner in my hair already, so I am just going to take my time to detangle my hair, since it's been a while since I've actually detangled. I need a trim as well, because my ends, my word. So I think I will also trim my hair. I'm not sure yet, but if you see me snipping off ends, just know that I'm getting trimmed. Alrighty, it feels detangled enough. So now what I'm gonna do is split this section in two, then apply the curling cream. So the first section is finished. So what I'm gonna do now is just do the same thing for the rest of my hair. Then I'll be back when it's time to apply the mousse. Alrighty guys, so the hair is all done with the cream, and as I usually expect with this cream, it definitely started defining my hair. So I am really eager to see how the mousse will act on my hair to further define the strands. So I am actually really eager to see how my hair will be. I'm not going to do too small sections. I'm just going to take this amount of hair, spray it just a little bit, just to reactivate the curling cream a little bit. I don't know how it's going to react together, if it's going to flake, I don't know. So as I said, this is the Rosemary styling mousse. It's going to take one pump, and if I need more I will do that. I forgot how strong of a smell this had, so I will go in. I put 2 extra pumps. It feels like it's clumping, but honestly I'm not too sure. It feels okay at the present moment. Guys, I'm not too convinced, but I will leave it. This is one section done, and that's what I'll do for the rest of the hair. So I won't necessarily do a montage. I will just pretty much come back with the wet results. So wet results in 3, 2, 1. All right, so here are the wet results. I had to go in with a lot of this mousse for my front pieces and just the overall hair, because I realized that it would have made more sense to go in with the mousse before I went in with the cream, since this isn't really a holding mousse. So the cream would have given it a lot more hold. So what I had to do then was go in with about 6 to 12 pumps per section, and I am following the instructions because it did say begin with 1 to 2 pumps and apply more as needed. So I applied more as needed. I am eager to see how my hair will dry I don't think that I will get the most hold out of this. However, I am hopeful that I'm able to get a defined wash and go that could last at least 3 days. So yeah, I will come back with the dried results. I'll probably let this air dry, then I'll come back when my hair is all done, because I find that the cream doesn't take too much time to dry, and obviously since this is a mousse, it doesn't take long to dry at all. So the combination is what I'm hoping will dry quickly, but we will see. And yes, I'll come back when the results are dry. All right, so I wanted to test the combo to see how well it held up in the elements outside, the wind, the sun in particular. So I am back on the inside, and I can safely say, one, these are my results. And I think that this is a nice wash and go. The longevity is what I'm questioning. I don't think that this is going to last long. I'm praying that it surprises me, but I don't think that this is going to last long. This is probably going to last me 2 to 3 days, which is not a problem because my hair was already washed 2 days prior. I don't mind. I actually like the curl definition. I like how my hair actually feels. It actually feels quite moisturized. My roots are definitely taking time to dry because I do have a cream in my hair, so that is taking time to dry as well. I still like the definition. I also didn't need to refresh my hair as I would have had to do the very first time that I used the mousse by itself, so that is a plus. So keep that in mind when you are using the Rosemary styling mousse from As I Am. You may have to put cream beforehand, a curl defining cream beforehand, so that it helps the curls hold up. So that is what I have to say. So far, this combo, I will have to give this a 7.5 or an 8 out of 10. I love the way my hair feels soft, and I love the definition. I am eager to see how long the moisture will last and how long the curls will last. All right, so it is the next day, and I really had to come on here instead of leaving a pinned comment. I honestly do not like this mousse. I'm really trying my best to like it. I may do another video trying it again for my type 4 natural hair, but as it currently stands, I don't like the mousse. As you're currently seeing, my hair looks defined. However, this is a refreshed wash and go. The way my hair looked this morning is nowhere near how it looks now. Don't get me wrong, I still had definition this morning. However, it looked like my hair was on its last leg, day 4 or day 5 hair. Absolutely not. That is not how I want my hair to last with mousses. I know that my hair does not behave this way with mousses, because it doesn't do that with the Big Girl Crazy Sexy Curl, and it didn't do that with the Do Mousse Def. It also didn't do that with some other mousses. So I may try this for twist out. I will see, because wash and goes with this mousse are an absolute no-no. I did realize that when I used water from my sink, it made a difference with how moisturized and how defined my hair turned out. So this is refreshed hair, and I also diffused it, so hopefully there should be a cast at least for another day or two. But as it currently stands, I still don't like this mousse. Didn't like it the first time around that I tried it with the first impressions, and I don't like it this time around. I'm trying my best to like this mousse, so I'm going to do a twist out or a braid out with this mousse. So definitely put two green hearts in the comment section down below to let me know whether you want to see that video or not. But I don't know why the mousse is not working for my hair. The African Pride curling cream works beautifully on my hair, no questions asked. My hair loves the curling cream, but the combo is just not a good fit. As it currently stands, sure, but I will see how long this lasts. I will put it on the screen when this video is edited, but I don't like this mousse. So I will try it for twist out. It says twists, wash and goes, or roller set. So I may jolly well try it for a roller set or a twist out. So I will see. But yes, this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye.